The process of making pasta begins with semolina flour. When durum wheat is milled, the grain is ground into a granular flour called semolina. Durum wheat is the hardest of wheat varieties, making it perfect for pasta production. The quality of wheat is determined from examining the gluten and protein content, the shape, color, and consistency of the grains. The high-quality wheat that we use is high in proteins and gluten, and also uniform in color and shape. When the wheat is milled into the semolina, high-quality durum wheat will produce a rich, consistent colored semolina. There are many steps to transform wheat into semolina involving machinery built to produce a consistent grain. The wheat is first transported to a machine that cuts the kernel. Once the kernels are stripped, they are transported to sifters. The larger wheat grains are transported back to the initial grinding stage to be ground up again, and the finer parts move into the next machine used to make the semolina. To make pasta, the semolina flour is weighed out and then mixed with water. The mixture is then put through a press where the dough is forced through a die to create hundreds of pasta shapes. Pasta can be extruded into its shapes with two types of die. One is made of bronze and the other is made of Teflon. But depending on which is used, they each give the pasta shape a different color and texture. Our pasta is made with bronze die, which gives the pasta a rougher surface, which allows the sauce to adhere to the pasta. Pasta made with a Teflon die produces smoother pasta, which does not allow the sauce to absorb into the pasta. From here, the pasta goes through the drying process. The pasta must be dried slowly and at a low temperature to preserve the semolina's taste and smell. The difference between traditional semolina pasta and whole wheat pasta is based on how much of the durum wheat grain is milled when producing the semolina flour. When whole wheat semolina is being produced, the machines use the entire grain, giving the semolina a darker color, coarser texture, and extra nutritional value. When traditional semolina is being produced, the external part is discarded, and only the internal, softer part of the durum wheat grain is used, giving the semolina a lighter color and softer texture.